So I had this patient come in once, and I did 4 front teeth on her, and they were beautiful. They blended in. Like, she only had a problem with her 4 front teeth. We made them beautiful. They blended in. She was really happy, and she disappeared for a while. And I mean, when she came back for her post-op, she was so grateful. She gave me a hug. She even cried in the chair. Like, she was so happy. But she left. She doesn't live in our state, so she left. And then recently she came back. It's been years since I've done her teeth and years since I've seen her. And I walked into the room and I knew it was her, but she looked nothing like herself. And I was like, I took a double take and I was like, hold on a second. And I even walked out of the room. I was like, wait, did I go into the wrong room? And I was like, oh my gosh, you look amazing. And she's like, she literally stood up. She's like, she gave me a hug. She's like, you changed my life. The moment I walked into your office, the first time I came here was the moment that my life changed. And then I realized that, like, going through this process, like, I have control over my life. She lost over 100 pounds. She's like, I'm a better mom. I'm a better wife. Like, I'm just like better in my life as a person. I'm a better daughter and friend. And it's all because when I came here and I got my teeth done, I decided I was going to take care of myself. And so that was so rewarding. And I love to use those examples to my team and be like, look, we're all a part of this giving to people. Like, every single person in our practice has a very important role. It's not just me. It's not just the surgeon. It's like every single person. There's somebody answering the phones that makes the patient feel very cared for. The assistant, you know, she's there every step of the way, like, to help assist in all the things. Like, everybody's job is so important, and look at what a difference it makes for people in their lives. And I just, like, I'm so grateful to be able to give back to people and be able to provide this type of service for them.